Ganito pagkain ng sambusa. Suka, sambusa, syempre di mawala yung kape ko. Syempre yung kape ko, di mawawala. Kaya, umpisa na po ang pagkain ng sambusa. Ganito lang yan. Hindi na makain po wala mo suka. Puwas kain ko. Dami. Medyo maanghang yung gawa ko. Ako lang gumagawa nito. Dati bumibili yung amo ko. Aba. Nung nalamang marunong pala ako gumawa, hindi na bumili. Kaya ako na gumagawa. Pag uwi ko ng Pinas, pwede kong negosyo ito. Diba? Pwede ng pagkakitaan. Parang ano lang naman eh. Parang gumagawa lang ng lumpia. Parang lumpia lang sa atin. Kaya lang pagbalot nila iba. Yun ang pagbalot nila. Dati naman, pagbalot lang. Margaret, what are you doing? Why are you not eating?
Too much ham.
What's the rice? Siyempre yung black coffee ko. Kasi yung black coffee ko lang. Siguro kung adik ng kape. Kaso. Yan. Miss Cafe, beke naman. In-endorse pa to. Ikaw nang makain lahat yan. Dalawa lang mga gusto. Eating it. Right. It's not like it's a video. Because I upload it in the YouTube. You know, remember you saw the video last night? She said, it's Nigra. But she's beautiful. She said, the Nigra is also jumping. Then she said, but she's beautiful.
Why you call me Nigra? I know like Nigra. I don't know why I
It's okay.
Yeah, the mother. I feel as if it's something bad and you just Balawan.
Not bad because it's same like a name. Only like a name. All people there in the Philippines, if like my nephew, she's also black but she's beautiful. So we called her Nigra. But they said that, Nigra, why Nigra? You make it social. I said like that.
Sure?
They said that why they did not make it social. Seems like a unique name. So we call her Negi. So until now, her name is Negi. Yeah, but she's beautiful. Now she's already 15. Yeah, she's 15. Ayun, she's 15 because Chloe is already 11. Yeah, because it's already in high school. But she's beautiful. If you saw her, she's beautiful. Even she's black. Because because her father is also black. Not black that same like you, but the color is black. So they call her Negi. Until now she's Negi. But her name is Cassandra. Her name is nice. But we call her Negi. Even in school, her friends, her classmates call her Negi because of her name, Negi, even in the house. She's Negi.
I have not said, I tell you. So, there's black who live in this compound of the old woman. You see there's black who live here. You see them?
Here down.
Black in
And then another house.
the old woman house, the Kadama of the old woman.
Yeah.
That's
I saw her last night. It's already 12:30. She's hanging clothes outside.
even me, I saw her. She was outside when we were out.
I'm so pity for her. Oh, no.
When
And
you go,
early in the morning, she's working also. It seems like
she
she's
live
not
with an old
sleeping.
woman.
Yeah. It seems like she's not sleeping.
She live with an old woman.
Ayun.
Mm.
I'm so pity. I'm so pity for her. Wala. Imagine, 12:30 she's hanging clothes. Then early in the morning I saw her. She's already working. Oh my God. But us. Oh my goodness.
Happy New Year. It was boring.
No, our New Year is so happy. We're enjoying cleaning the house.
Nothing.
Yeah, me?
What's this? What
I'll do
about
one.
this?
We don't have choice.
Fireworks.
We're here. We're not in our country. But me, I'm enjoying cleaning. Because I move again the cabinet inside the room. And I change again the... Oh
And then
my
you change
goodness.
again.
Yeah. I think a few days ago, I really think that I will change this. I will put the threads there near my bed. So now it happened. My gosh. I put this one. For 10 minutes it's finished. Only 10 minutes.
What you say?
You
Even
go
I'm not
outside?
listening.
Huh?
Me. Yep, I go outside.
Too
to
much
see my
cold.
clothes because it wants to
Too
rain.
much cold outside, sir?
It wants to rain.
Aywa. That's why I put the clothes here inside. Because
Maybe that's what I will do inside the room.
aywa. No, before we sleep, we put the towel there in the window. So that the water
The water not coming through.
aywa. Because that's what I make it in Al-In. I put all towel in the window. So that the water will not go inside. So Pirom Sultan, even it's closed, the water go inside. So much water. That's what I told you last night, that if we did not wake up, oh my goodness, the water all comes here inside the carpet. Oh my god. We will clean all the house. And you know it's good because the rain stopped. If it did not stop, the water also will go inside there in the elevator, will go inside in the sala. Because the water is already there in the carpet, huh? Yeah, I'm talking alone. No one.
But ayaw ni Captain.
Bye.
May minus 1 there.